there is no another. You ever win it or lose it forever.
I don't come again, oh, I don't come again. It's good to be young at heart, oh, at 73. It's good to be young at heart. That they say, 11 commandment, they say, don't think bad of your neighbor. You know what your churches have to do? Hey, hot soup and the jam with the or soup and the head of our telopu. Chop for your body. Not you carry Nigeria problem for head. Chop for your body, that's where God want to be that. Hey, not be small.
Young boy, welcome.
Welcome, my sister.
We dey enjoy your episode. The story sweet, no be small.
Not be small.
So the last episode you talk about say the legendary Sonny Okosu send letter all the way from UK.
It don't be UK that they call them United Kingdom.
I hear you. He send the letter come in a house. So tell us how the thing come dey go. The story make we dey hear.
Baba just come from work with that today. He come into mama dey cry inside room. What happen? Mama say you don't kill me, oh my pikin. I think you don't pursue Sonny Sote because you don't go college. He say he go Lagos. From Lagos now, they say we don't know where he dey. See later when Sonny Rati come, whether they alive, I don't know. Me and you, if I don't see Sonny, me and you go put the leg for one trouser. And my papa can't look at my mama. He dey look at my mama. Mama say I can tell you when they pursue Sonny say you don't go college. You don't know the college where you go, which school you go. The time when you dey chase am, need to say you dey for college, you know say na school you now you dey go. Now you don't pursue Sonny so my papa vex him. He said, nah, mama, now you did my mama. He said, now you dey encourage this boy. Today, mama get a letter, my papa look a letter. He carry letter, he throw away. He said, you and Sonny, he go pack una come for this house. My mama hold my papa, come see, quiet. They look at them. Well, and the prayer say, be safe, we are confused because Sonny know, person say they go Lagos. They can't let her come from United Kingdom, come. I don't believe. My mama come dey cry, my mama come lean, he not come dey chop. He dey think of Sonny. He say my papa don't kill him. Hey, this man. Because he no go college. Now he better say he no go college. He dey see him that he no go quarrel every day. First week, second week, third week, 1 month. Well, that time when Sonny travel, you know say they play for television every Saturday. So the people come dey announce for TV say Sonny Okosu, the woman they call Sonny, the hot potato kid. Sonny Okosu has traveled to United Kingdom with a drama group. He will soon come back to come and start to play for television. The news can't go round. Say Sonny Okosu go there, talk say Sonny Okosu, the hot potato kid, is traveled to London with come and see people. They mama, congratulations. They say your pikin. He go, mama goes, come on for you, pikin. Now they call her for me. Pikin. They say your pikin there for United Kingdom. Mama say, make una keep quiet. Una they laugh for me. The thing called the rules, you they go around for Enugu. Say Sonny, don't follow drama group. Go Bodo Ibo. Well, we say God, myself, I come the pray. I say God, I don't know whether Sonny dey Lagos. I mean, they don't kill him. God forbid. Which would have been a person that take his name, write letter come. Now so what they do, what they wait till. Then one afternoon like this, we just one motor just land. Sure, this is Chevrolet. That's a long Chevrolet. Just land for the front house, for our front house. Nice one, he just jump out for Chevrolet, carry baggy, carry boxy, dress well. Go home with my brother. I said, look, I said, that's what they been see. Now hold on, we laugh, we hold ourselves. My man just inside room, jump out. As he sees Sonny, so he run back. He be like, whether he see spirit. We look at Sonny, he said, Sunday. Mama, Sonny, go hold my mama. Oh, my mama start to cry. Hold on, now you be this. Where you go? Where you come? Come before we talk. The whole street don't full. People, the whole street, where not the greet us, Sonny don't come from United Kingdom. Sonny come dressy, wear pajamas, wear shoe. Come put this in watch for hand. Come wear put a big cap for head. Come, people with the whole, in fact, those who here call the tell those who not here everywhere. Sonny don't go. You know to go to United Kingdom that time. Sonny I manage. Now you carry box, enter house, the whole house full. Everywhere, no chair, the one room, every Saturday sit down for outside. Everybody come dey look. Hey, Sonny, hey, Sonny. Well, God today, around 4 o'clock. Now my party they come from the railway. When the railway goes out, we don't say 4 o'clock, we don't knock it. Now we just see Baba come, they come. As Papa just they come, he never too near house. You see people full for outside. Now my Papa do, he take a bicycle, do U-turn, he want run. What did they happen for your house? Any wahala, trouble? Papa look. Now he come down. Instead of ride the cycle, start to take the cycle, they take leg, they come. He they look. Because people don't full for outside. Now he come there, my Papa say, what did happen? Any trouble? Now they say, so they don't come back. My Papa say, so they go, where you go? Where you go? Hey, now because my Papa they ask me that. So they don't come back. Where you go? Now they carry the bicycle, he put her for ground. He enter house. He look true, he see Sonny. You know that is Baba now, why you laugh they mouth? Baba look Sonny. Sonny look up. Now Sonny go, Baba greet up. Baba Sonny do that kind why you laugh. Yeah, you are welcome. He laugh that kind why you laugh. I don't say that he laugh. They never do what he see self. You look Sonny finish. He say, where you from come? Now but sometimes say go United Kingdom. My paluku, United Kingdom, not be Lagos. I say, well, now so things happen. Now conceal my power where they do like say if you catch something today, you go do this. You consider they do why they laugh. You're welcome. You're welcome. I say, see this man. My mother look at me. My mother don't talk to them at all. He just look at me. You know woman now? Yeah. That's why when they say woman say, help me beat my pikin. That lie, no reach mind you. My mother they look at my papa. If they look papa, yeah, not be people they pursue with this. Now that one come. Well, story day. Make I tell you the next episode. As the what you come for after, so they come back from London. How the family call. I will understand now. No miss amo. The next episode I'm gonna tell you how family come the Papa come be like say change some more. And they come back.